Bonjour! I am super excited today because we have a huge day planned. We are currently at the Musée Rodin, and then we're going for a walking tour around Montmarte, and then we're going to Sacré-Coeur. We're going to tackle more steps. So yay, let's get started! So the audio guide said his neck is on an angle that would be anatomically impossible, but Rodin wanted to create a distressed figure, so he did the model and then created 3 molds out of it, and then you can find them on top of the gates of hell.
Et alors ça, on peut voir aussi l'homme qui est là, c'est Dante qui regarde les histoires des gens qui vont en enfer, les personnages qui là.
Richie, tell us what we're looking at.
We're looking at brand new foliage coming out at the start of spring. You just commented on how they all look crimped, but it's because the new buds are all tightly folded up. They're unfolding.
Will they go flat again?
Oui. Yes, they will flatten out.
Okay, so we've just left the Rodin about 2.5 hours later.
The weather has turned.
The weather is
lovely.
Horrible, back to our wintry, cold, windy days. We've had a nice hot coffee, which we ordered in French. Did I order it?
Yes, oui.
I ordered it.
Double espresso, magnifique.
And now we're on a mission because we want to find what this big golden building is that we've been sort of walking around for the last few days. So we're on a mission to find out what it is and what it's all about, and then I'm not sure what we'll do. We'll see what we feel like. Okay, so we found it. Closest guess we've got so far is that this is where the king lives, and that's where he's going to play. And there is bodyguards. Okay, Timbo, this is for you. When you build our house, this is what we want you to do. We are standing in front of the Wall of Love. You can see it behind us there. And we just had the most romantic thing happen. A man came up to us and said he's filming people from all over the world and getting them to say, "Crystal, marry him," so that when he shows his girlfriend Crystal this video he's going to collate, there's all these people from all over the world saying, "Marry him, marry him."
And hopefully we made the cut.
So sweet. so we've just come out of the Sacré-Coeur and it's sunny and beautiful. It was by far my favourite compared to the Notre Dame because it wasn't so touristy and people were using it as a church, and it just had a beautiful, peaceful sort of feeling in there. I also liked that the architecture wasn't so gothic and it wasn't as dark. There were a lot more stained glass windows, and so it was just beautiful everywhere you looked. And at the top of a lot of the little nooks and crannies, they had mosaic artworks that had this gold sort of tile over everything. So it was beautiful and I loved it.